Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings so you get accurate data fast. First, unlock the Phone and Open Settings. Once done, navigate to Battery or Device Care. This central panel shows current percentage and immediate drain. Make sure to enable Status Bar Percent or Always on Display so you always see battery level. You'll also toggle battery percentage in Quick Settings for faster checks. This first step prepares the interface, so later diagnostics read real-world usage instead of cached values. Now you dive into details. Tap battery usage to see per app drain over 24 hours or 7 days. This explains why percentage drops. Once there, check screen on time, awake time, and individual app consumption so you know the how and why. Make sure to open more battery settings to enable adaptive battery, background activity limits, and power-saving modes. These features reduce background wake-ups and tune CPU for battery life, which directly affects longevity instead of just raw percent numbers. Finish by calibrating and troubleshooting so readings are reliable. To calibrate, charge to 100%, reboot the phone, then use it until 0% and fully recharge. This helps the battery meter. Once done, update system firmware and apps and clear cache for any app that shows excessive drain. If you still see wrong percentages or fast discharge, boot into safe mode to isolate apps. And finally, contact Samsung support if hardware diagnostics fail. One tip: avoid unofficial charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.